Hello everyone. Today we will continue with your chapter number 7, presentation in PowerPoint 2016. Okay, page number 76. So what we will learn today? We will learn about the different views in presentation. As we know that there are 5 different views in PowerPoint presentations. And what are these? These are normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view and reading view. So we will read about them one by one. So your first view is the normal view. So in the normal view, what you can do, this is that you see when you first start the PowerPoint. Okay, नॉर्मल व्यू आपका कौन सा व्यू होता है? जब आप लोग पावर पॉइंट ओपन करते हैं तो जो सबसे पहले आपके सामने जो प्रेजेंट होता है दैट इज योर नॉर्मल व्यू. Okay, so what happens? It has thumbnails on the left, okay, which we call slide navigation pane. What is the slide navigation pane? It is on the left side of the window. Is it clear? So you can easily slide your slide. You can easily scroll your slides. You can change the design. You can change the formatting. And you can also rearrange or delete the slide from the slide navigation pane. Next is your slide pane. So what is the slide pane? It is in the middle of the slide. The main slide is known as the slide pane. Is it clear? So whatever you are working, in which slide you are working, it will be displayed on the slide pane. And next is your notes pane, which is below the slide pane. So in the notes pane, what you do? It shows or hides the speaker's notes. Okay, it shows or hides the speaker note whenever you are giving a presentation, so you can add notes related to that particular slide. Is that clear? So see, this is your slide pane, this is your notes pane, and this is your slide sorter pane. Is it clear? So your next view is outline view. Okay, so in outline view, what you can do, you can see the contents of the slide at once. Okay, at once you can see all the contents of your slide. Okay, so you can plan that how would you like to present your ideas, or you can add text, or you can edit your text in the outline view. Is it clear? Next is your slide sorter view. So in the slide sorter view, what is given? There are several thumbnails given of the slides. Okay, the number of slides you have made, there will be thumbnails present. Okay, so you can easily delete, add or rearrange them. Or you can double click on any thumbnail so that it can be opened in the normal view. स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू में आपका क्या होता है? आप लोगों ने जितनी भी स्लाइड्स बनाई हैं वो आपको एक साथ दिख जाती हैं, like this. Okay, let us suppose you have 3 slides. So your first slide is this, second is this, and third is this. So what you can do, you can easily move it from here to here, or you can easily edit or delete it. So what you will do, you will double click on it. In which slide you want to make changes, you will double click on it and it will open in the normal view. Is it clear? Next is your notes page view. So in the notes page view, what happens? It adds the speaker notes. Okay, it adds the speaker's note. So while you are giving your presentation, it is not visible to your audience. Okay, when you are presenting your presentation, so what happens? It is not visible to the audience. So you can present your views by seeing that. Is it clear? Notes page view में आपका क्या होता है कि आप लोग अपने notes जो आप लोगों को presentation देते हुए अगर कोई नोट्स लिखने हैं तो आप लोग उस पर लिख सकते हैं. ओके, लेकिन वो ऑडियंस को शो नहीं हो रहे होंगे. ओके, व्हाइल यू आर गिविंग योर प्रेजेंटेशन, द ऑडियंस कैन नॉट सी दोज नोट्स. सो यू कैन ऐड द नोट्स टू द प्रेजेंटेशन बाय मेकिंग यूज ऑफ नोट्स पेज व्यू. इज इट क्लियर? So your next view is reading view. So in reading view, what happens? This gives you a view of the presentation text. Reading view में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? It allows you to view the presentation as if it is being presented. Reading view में आप लोग जिस तरीके से presentation देंगे उस तरीके से वो आपके सामने present होगी. Is it clear? So you can navigate through your slides using the navigator button at the bottom. आपके जो बॉटम स्क्रीन है उस पे नेविगेटर बटन्स होंगे, तो आप लोग वहां से उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं या प्रीवियस स्लाइड पे जा सकते हैं बाय मेकिंग यूज ऑफ द नेविगेटर बटन्स. इज इट क्लियर? Next is your slideshow. So slideshow button is present at the right side of the status bar. Is it clear? It is present at the right side. This is your slideshow view. So you can click on it and you can give your presentation or you can start your presentation. आप लोग क्या करेंगे, जैसे ही slideshow view में आएंगे तो आपकी presentation start हो जाएगी. Okay, so what you have to do to start the slideshow, what you have to do, you have to click on the slideshow button. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, अगर आप लोगों को अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट करनी है तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है, इस स्लाइड शो बटन पे क्लिक करना है. ओके, और व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन यूज द स्लाइड शो टैब. दिस इज योर स्लाइड शो टैब, सो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन इट. सो यू हैव 3 ऑप्शंस दैट those are from beginning icon, from current slide icon or custom slideshow icon. So from beginning icon means that if you want to start your presentation from the starting, okay, from the first slide, अगर आप लोगों को अपनी first slide से presentation start करनी है, so you will click on from beginning icon. And if you want to start your slideshow with the current slide, जो आप लोगों की स्लाइड ओपन हो रखी है, आप लोगों को वहां से अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट करनी है, so you will click on current slide icon. And whenever you can select the slides you want to include in the slideshow, what you can do, you can make use of custom slideshow icon. Is it clear? So once you start your slide, what you have to do, you can move to the next slide by either you can click on the mouse. Okay, if you simply click on the mouse, the next slide will start. Okay, if you will press the space bar key, what will happen, you will move to the next slide, or you can use the forward arrow key also to move to the next slide. So it's up to you that whichever option you want to use, you can use. Okay, or if you want to move to the previous slide, what you will do, you will use the back arrow key. Is it clear? And now your last thing is that if you want to stop the slideshow, अगर आप लोगों को slideshow end करना है, so what you can do, you can either press the escape key from your keyboard. आप लोगों के कीबोर्ड पे escape key होती है, या तो आप उसको प्रेस करेंगे, और you can select end show. Here it is written over here, end show. So you can click on the end show option also, so that you can exit your presentation or you can stop the slideshow. Is it clear? So that's all for today. Rest we will continue in our next class. Thank you.